breaking news in the coronavirus pandemic. The number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in the U.S. has now surpassed 9 million, with infections on the rise in 47 states. On Thursday, well over 89,000 new cases were reported nationwide, a single-day record. And another grim number, the U.S. also experienced a second consecutive day with more than 1,000 coronavirus deaths. And New Jersey is one of the states where cases are rising, and as the weather gets colder, more people are moving their gatherings indoors.
This despite warnings from state health officials who say there is a direct link to the rising number of cases. CBS 2's Meg Baker has this.
My level of concern is high.
That's because New Jersey hasn't seen daily case numbers over 2,000 since May. But here we are again. The second wave is being linked to private indoor gatherings, the fear that Halloween parties will lead to more. As a deterrent in Hoboken, Mayor Bala is pushing an ordinance that imposes up to a $1,000 fine if more than 25 people get together. But it didn't pass in time for Halloween.
This would have given us a real enforcement mechanism for the police department to crack down on a very real source of the spread of COVID in our community.
Even a small indoor gathering can have consequences. This animation of 6 people shows if one person is contaminated, all can be infected if not wearing masks, even if they are sitting at a distance. That's because tiny contagious particles exhaled by an infected person remain suspended in the air. The risk of infection drops when the group uses face masks, shortens the length of the gathering by half, and ventilates the space used. But that's not happening, leading to thousands of new cases. Some people may show up to a gathering wearing a mask, but then take it off to eat, drink, and chat, similar to what you would do at a restaurant. So we asked Governor Murphy,
with indoor dining, because these cases are spreading indoors, are you rethinking?
The economic pain has been overwhelming, but as a health matter, the incremental approach, I think, has saved cases and lives. So I think we're there for the time being. If we were to take a step back, you're shutting those restaurants down, which is something we absolutely do not want to do.
But the governor says if the numbers continue to rise, the idea of a statewide curfew is on the table. His biggest concern is Thanksgiving gatherings. In Piscataway, New Jersey, Meg Baker, CBS 2 News.